Hey everyone, I'm Zak Ferguson, and I may not be the best tricker, but I'm an extremely good coach, and I'm a guest at MTG. But it's not just me, I'm bringing a carload of trickers from North Carolina. So come to Mastering Trick and Gathering. It's June 3rd through the 5th, which is 1 week away from when this video goes up. Come trick with all of us. It's gonna be an amazing time. And I'm also gonna be selling these shirts. This is a regen shirt from last year, if you guys want one. I know it's a little out of season because it's long sleeve, but it gets kind of cold at gatherings, you know? I'll also be doing private lessons if you guys wanna learn from me while you're at the gathering. I can teach you literally anything. But anyway, I hope to see you guys there.